Aston Martin AMDS II VCI Diagnostic Tool Review. Dealer-level diagnostics for Aston Martin. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the package, you'll find the AMDS II VCI interface, communication cables, software package, and setup documentation. The hardware is specifically designed to communicate with Aston Martin vehicle modules using manufacturer-level protocols. Unlike generic OBD scanners, this system can access far more vehicle systems and functions. Installation is straightforward. Connect the AMDS II VCI to your laptop and install the diagnostic software. Next, connect the interface to the vehicle's OBD port. Once communication is established, the software automatically identifies the vehicle and begins scanning available control modules. This process is similar to what Aston Martin technicians perform at the dealership. Now let's look at what the AMDS II system can actually do. The platform provides access to fault code diagnostics, live data monitoring, control module, communication service procedures, system testing, vehicle configuration, and advanced troubleshooting functions. For technicians and workshops, this means faster diagnostics and more accurate fault identification. Instead of replacing parts through trial and error, you can pinpoint the root cause directly from vehicle data. A common question is the Aston Martin AMDS II VCI the same as a generic OBD scanner? No. Generic scanners primarily read emissions-related fault codes. The AMDS II platform provides manufacturer-level access to Aston Martin systems, modules, and diagnostic procedures. The Aston Martin AMDS II VCI diagnostic tool is one of the most powerful solutions available. For more information, compatibility details, and ordering information, check the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments.